Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mint juice using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, water, and your preferred sweetener like sugar or honey. You'll also need a blender, a fine mesh sieve, and a pitcher. Make sure your mint leaves are thoroughly washed and dried. We'll be using approximately 1 cup of packed mint leaves for this recipe, ensuring a vibrant flavor. Now, let's get blending. Place your washed mint leaves into the blender. Add about 1 cup of water to help create a smooth consistency. Blend on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mint is finely chopped and the mixture is a vibrant green. You can also add your sweetener at this stage, starting with 2 tablespoons and adjusting to your preference. Once blended, it's time to strain the juice. Place a fine mesh sieve over your pitcher and pour the mint mixture through it. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the mint pulp, extracting every last drop of that delicious juice. Discard the remaining pulp. Now, taste your mint juice and adjust the sweetness or add more water to reach your perfect balance. Your refreshing mint juice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over ice for the most invigorating experience. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a thin slice of lemon. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days, perfect for a quick cool down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.